Howdy folks, George Shadley with you here, South Shore Marine Electronics. I want to take a quick video here of a project that we just completed. This is a 2008 Tiara Sovran. I think it's a 45. Did a fair amount of reconstruction here. As you can see, we moved the cat displays port side from down here on the immediately forward of the wheel. The purpose of this was on this boat. This had a Teleflex system on it that gave tab indication as well as tank information, and the display that used to reside right here was failing, so we really never knew how much fuel he had or where his tabs were. Well, that's been resolved because this new display is pretty much dedicated to his tanks and his tabs, so he always knows. Grid right side, move the autopilot from top right down here, and obviously two 16-inch displays. As I said, we moved the cat displays, and I think it turned out looking fairly well. New stereo down below, fusion stereo. Everything has new fascia plates made for it, so I think it came out looking pretty decent. I'll show you in the back here in a minute. Hang on. Here we are in the back of the helm again, and this is why I so much love Tiaras, because you can actually get behind the helm to work on the boat. Isn't that a neat concept? So everything's neat and clean. Our NEMA 2000 network is right over here. Everything labeled so we know what each input is. That was here before we started. That's a Garmin VHF radio. We added a fuse panel right there because it's a whole lot easier to get to than where the breakers are, which is a nightmare. That's the only kind of really bad thing. But again, everything neat, clean. There's not wires everywhere. We made new harnesses for the cat displays. So it's kind of a view from the back. So as always, George Shadley, South Shore Marine Electronics. If you want to give us a call, 216-407-6553. Email address, southshoremarineelectronics@oh.rr.com. Thank you.